All right, this is a quick tutorial on how I am using OpenAI's ChatGTP models for more efficient and effective community advocacy. So here I have open ChatGTP 4.0 model. If you don't know or aren't familiar, there are a number of different models that OpenAI has, and they kind of have different uses and power. Uh, GPT 4.0 is kind of the best large language model at the moment that can do multimedia. So you can upload pictures and ask it about that. You can upload documents and talk to it about that. And then the O1 is looking very promising. It's much better at reasoning, and you can kind of ask more complex questions to it. Although, to be fair, 4.0 actually did that quite well as well. So yeah, they're very exciting to use all these different models. I am on the paid program, so it's about $20 a month for it. And that gives you access to the more advanced models earlier, usually. I'm not exactly sure what the free model looks like right now, but they have been continuously offering great stuff. It's like slightly lagging for the free model. So here I have the community plan loaded up. I just added as an attachment to the model, and I'm going to ask it a question here and see what we get. So this is a 120-page document, and it's just going to be spitting things out and citing where they are, and I can continue to have a conversation with this as well. So it's this document here. You can see it's 126 pages, very long, lots of text. It has charts and figures, tables, and it's able to go through all that. You can see, okay, so it's talking about congestion and circulation, bike and pedestrian infrastructure, parking solutions, particularly establishing peripheral parking lots, encouraging shared parking, transit-oriented development, safety enhancements. Okay, great. So let's see if we want to dive into anything. Tell me more about TOD in the plan and cite specific passages. And it just will bring out direct things. With all of the AI systems, you do always need to validate that it is not hallucinating. It's not misquoting or making things up. These models have gotten significantly better at not having those issues, but it is always just something to double check on. And you can see, okay, it's talking about transit-oriented development and like what that would look like, kind of public amenities and parking structures and commercial entrances kind of thing. And then let's see, what pages can I find this information on? All right, 46 and 47. Let's see. Commercial designations and districts. Huh? I wonder if it's citing the page or the page in the document. Let's see. Should have probably done some research. Here it is, transit-oriented development. Okay, yeah, 46, 47. All right, and then I also use this with the newer model, the O1 preview, and I've am asking it some more complex questions. And so in this case, my partner is excellent at data visualization and has a lot of experience with that. And she's looking to maybe make a career move. And so asked about that. How would I go about doing that? And spits out like a really good plan for it. And then I said, okay, great. Now, my plan, or how am I to better advocate for safe and sustainable infrastructure? And I give it a couple of like other prompts in here. So like understand the design concepts of a bike boulevard, understand that I need to be persuasive to the community and planning board, understand that they are skeptical of data that we have, and that more might be useful for changing hearts and minds. And then I'm asking like specifically what data would be useful to create, telling it what kind of data we have right now. So this is PB counts. And it has its limitations, but also like I can expand it. And then what else is available to me, right? So I have publicly available information. And it went and thought about this, and it's giving me basically a whole run book on like what to do. Okay, expand your sources. So what are types of things I could go grab? Safety report, environmental data, health statistics, all these dashboards, get effective data models. And it's really just spitting out like a whole run book of what I can do. And then the power of these models is that it's not just creating an article for me about like the top 10 things to go do to learn about this. I could extend this out and say, okay, tell me, write me a plan for the first week where I want to tackle the first 3 items on this. And I can go and generate that. So it's like interactive. With all of these things, the more context you can provide it, the more useful it is. Otherwise, you just get more generic answers. And yeah, this is the worst it'll ever be. It only gets more powerful from here. And these are extremely powerful tools.